Hey guys, this is a quick review of my new Donner piano. You can see it looks pretty decent. It's got 3 pedals, it's a full piano. And you can see right here, I'm currently connected to headphones. So I can just open it, get the music stand. So power it on, it's fully electronics. But because I've got my headphones on, right now maybe you can hear just a little bit because it's actually coming from the headphones. If I pull the headphones out, I get full sound. So that's pretty cool. There are actually 2 headphones jacks, so it's kind of cool. You could have, for example, the teacher and the student both get their headphones, both get their own jack. So that's pretty cool. Controls, really simple. You get a power switch and a volume button. It does get pretty loud, enough to annoy mom. Or it can get, nice and soft. So that's pretty cool. As you would expect for any piano, if you do very soft, then the sound is soft, and as you press harder, you get a louder sound, a softer sound, just like a regular piano. Alright, it's kind of hard to demonstrate the pedals with trying to film at the same time, but basically, this pedal here is the sustain pedal, so without it, and now I've got the pedal pressed. So and the other pedals are just the same pedal as a regular concert piano. So right now the piano is right against the wall, and that is maybe the only thing I don't like about this piano. So it's very light, it's fairly easy to get. You can see there's a back panel here with some outputs if you want to go maybe to a stereo, some inputs, play with music. And something that's kind of neat is I've got a USB key here with an MP3, so I'm going to plug it in, and you can hear it starts playing. So unfortunately it's in the back, and most pianos are against the wall, so that's maybe not the best choice, but otherwise there you go, it's playing the MP3, and now I can just play along with it. Isn't that cool?
very sad. Much better, bravo! Nice job. Bye bye, Finch.
Settings on here. You turn it on and you have the volume dial. I keep it about halfway. That's plenty loud for me. I could see the speakers getting hurt maybe if you turn it up all the way. The keys are weighted and that is really nice. And they sound amazing. Keep in mind that this piece goes out and in, and so does this piece that holds your music. So when you flip it over, make sure to flip this out, and it closes really slowly so it doesn't shut, which is so nice. It's pretty flat. The material is really nice. I really enjoy it. Just always remember, put that down, pull this out. And it's nice that there's a light here so it reminds you if it's off or if it's on. And that's about it.
Look at this sleek digital keyboard. So you just turn it on, have a seat, and it sounds so authentic, and it pushes down just like an actual piano, not like a little keyboard. Anyways, and then the pedals make it so good for pretty cool. I highly recommend it. Great for small spaces, easy to put together, and sounds so good. Can't wait to resume my lessons.
Betul.